Oh, 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 oh. By the rivers of a distant land, the people wept, hearts in chains. Jerusalem lay broken down, dust and fire, loss and shame. But the Lord stirred up a king, opened doors no man could close. From exile's night to promised light, a faithful scribe arose. O Ezra, servant of the word, with the law upon your heart, you taught the truth, you called them home when the nation fell apart. From ruins rose a holy fire, by the hand of God you stood, to restore the soul of Israel with repentance and with truth. Not by sword or battle cry, but by wisdom, tears and prayer, you opened up the sacred scrolls and the people gathered there. They heard the law, they bowed their heads. Conviction filled the land. From sunrise till the midday light, they sought to understand. O Ezra, servant of the word, with the law upon your heart, you taught the truth, you called them home when the nation fell apart. From ruins rose a holy fire, by the hand of God you stood, to restore the soul of Israel with repentance and with truth. You set your heart to seek the Lord, to live it and proclaim, not just words upon a page, but lives forever changed. When the people turned again, heaven heard their cry, mercy poured like autumn rain, as hope was lifted high. Stones were set, the walls rebuilt, but deeper still the call to be a people set apart, faithful when they fall. From generations still we hear the echo of your way. Return, renew, remember him, and walk the truth each day. O Ezra, servant of the word, let our hearts be shaped the same, to seek the Lord with all we are, and honor his great name. From broken lives to holy ground, may revival start with us, restored by grace, rebuilt by truth, through the faithfulness of God. Oh, 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 oh.